Hi, I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. We get asked questions from our customers all the time about, do your tires hop or bounce? Well, let's just show you exactly what happens.
With our tire, our cores are actually designed to be like shock absorbers. And what that does is it actually reduces the energy that gets to the rim. The other major thing that having shock absorption built into your tire is it takes the stress off your drivetrain. What happens is these machines are hydraulically driven, and a spike that transfers from the tire to your drivetrain goes straight into your hydraulics and your pumps and your motors, and that prematurely causes wear on those parts. So you want to make sure that your tire is designed to give and flex and absorb as much energy as possible, not just for the operator, but for the machine. I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. I hope you learned something from this video. If you need any help getting the right tires for your machine, just give us a call. We're always here to help, and we'll talk to you soon.